Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to scan and extract data from physical documents using AI OCR tools. So the one I'm going to be using is FreeOCR.AI. You can go ahead and type this into your web browser and you should be able to see this web page. Once you've loaded in, you can go ahead and click on extraction at the top and you should be able to see extract data from images. So what do you mean by extracting structured data? Well, for example, you're filling out a form or a survey and it's asking you to input some information. That information you're putting in is what the structured data is. And you can quickly extract that sort of data from images using this tool. So I highly recommend getting familiar with it because it's a great tool to have under your belt if you want to be able to save some time. So I'm going to show you a quick example. So here I have this sort of fields. I have a few fields here. You have your name, your lab section, your date submitted, and your laboratory instructor. So if we want to extract some pieces of data, so let's say I want to start extracting the name and then lab section and then date submitted. That's all I have to type in. And this web tool will be able to analyze these pictures and collect the data from it. So let's say this is it. I'm going to click on extract data. And as you can see here, it has successfully extracted the data from these sections or from the fields that I'm interested in. So it correctly got the name, the lab section, and even the date, although it did misread the comma for a slash. So you can do this with lots of files all at once, and it's just a huge time saver, especially if you're working with lots of physical documents that you need to digitize. Instead of having to manually extract data and type them in, you can let this web tool do all the work for you. So you can download the finished file as a CSV or as an Excel so that you can edit it on your computer. So really quick and really easy. Again, that's free OCR.AI. I highly recommend getting familiar with this tool, especially if it's relevant to the type of work that you do. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.